Hi there. Today we're checking out the SCESSPACK Packing Tape, a heavy-duty solution perfect for shipping, moving, and sealing. Each roll measures 1.88 inches wide and stretches 60 yards long, giving you plenty of tape to work with. This tape is 2 mil thick, providing strong adhesion and durability for securing boxes and packages. With 12 rolls included, you get a total of 720 yards, ideal for both home and professional use. It's designed to resist tearing and stick firmly to cardboard, plastic, and other surfaces. Whether you're packing up for a move or shipping products, this tape offers reliable performance every time. Trust SCESSPACK to keep your packages safe and secure during transport. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.